Hello my lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're all having a good day. Today I'm actually going to do a hairstyle for you. I know. Today's hairstyle of the day is going to be a 3-strand pull-through braid. That's probably one of my favorite methods of a braid is a pull-through braid because it stays in place all day long. It is stunning and it's perfect for shorter hair, especially if you have layers, just because you have clear elastics that kind of hold everything in place. So for today's video, you will need some clear elastics, and these are the ones I always talk about. They're pretty much in every single video of mine. I always have them linked because it's probably one of my most asked questions dealing with hairstyles is what's your favorite clear elastics, and these are the ones. They're Elastic-U. I get them on Amazon and they're an amazing price. And then you will need maybe 1 or 2 mini bobby pins, and my favorites are MetaGrip. And then to hold everything in place, some kind of hair clip or hair croc clip. I get these also on Amazon, and maybe some texture spray or dry shampoo. I'm gonna use a little bit of texture spray. This is by the AG Hair Care Tousled Texture. My hair is pretty clean right now at the moment, so that's why I'm going to incorporate some texture spray. If you don't have texture spray, just incorporate some dry shampoo to give your hair a little bit of grip, because we are gonna pull the hair apart a little bit, so you want your hair to stay in place and not just fall down and fall flat. That's what usually my hair wants to do. First step, create a ponytail. And I'm grabbing like the top section of my hair, kind of like where my fringe is, and then clear elastic and tie it off. And then before I move on to the second ponytail, I'm gonna take a little bit of hair underneath the first and wrap it around the clear elastic. This step is optional, obviously, but it just kind of gives a more prettier finished look in my opinion. And then to secure that little hair, I'm gonna take a little bobby pin and just secure it. All right, so I'm gonna take this first ponytail out of the way and create a second ponytail right underneath it. All right, so this is how you create that 3-strand pull-through braid. So the first ponytail, you're gonna divide it into 3 equal sections. To help myself, I'm gonna take both of these outer sections and just get it out of the way for now. And then the second ponytail, you're gonna split it into 2, just like that. And then you're gonna bring that middle section of the first ponytail, you're gonna bring it back. I'm gonna hold these 2. I'm gonna let go of those. And you're gonna bring those 2 sections from the second ponytail up. Now you have all of 3 sections together from the first ponytail. And now with those 3 sections, we're gonna create the third ponytail. I have to go turn the AC on because I'm sweating. And I apologize if you can hear it. I'll be right back. So what really helps me is because my hair is shorter, so I need extra hair clips. That's why I mentioned it in the beginning. So what I'm gonna do is, the next section, you divide it into 3. So you have 1 third section on the side, so we don't worry about it. So now we have that third section that's in the middle. You take that middle section and you bring it through the split ponytail underneath. And then you take the split ponytail, the 2 sections, and you bring them together, and you just take them out of the way. And I'm gonna take these out. And now the ponytail is back together again, the 3 sections. So having 3 clips is good. All right, so now I'm just gonna continue and make another ponytail. When there is no more hair to add into the ponytails, I'm just gonna finish it off doing the exact same thing, tying the 3 sections together to create a ponytail, and then the top section split into 3, the bottom section into 2, and just do the exact same thing. And I just finish it off with the little ponytail at the end. And I'm not sure what I wanna do with it just yet, just because my hair is in a very awkward length stage at the moment. It doesn't really look good with the ponytail. It doesn't look good with rolled up. I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is pull apart the pull through braid. I'm gonna take the outer sections, pull them apart, and then the middle section kind of pull it apart. If you need more texture spray, you can add it to the braid to give it a little bit more grip as well, or you can add hairspray or dry shampoo. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the texture spray just to the entire braid. And I'm gonna start off slowly just to make sure my little hairs don't fall out. Now that the braid is pulled apart, I am gonna go in with a little bit of hairspray just to kind of tame some of these shorter pieces. I'm using this brand Carina Organics, and this is their fast drying hairspray. Oh, it's so nice, all right. And I think they're Canadian brand, I believe. North Vancouver, BC. It's a really good hairspray. All right, so because my hair, like I mentioned, is at a very awkward length, I'm just gonna leave it as a ponytail, but I'm gonna take a little bit of a ribbon and just tie it off just to hide the clear elastic and just to give it a little bit of something to it, I don't know. You can wrap some hair around the clear elastic. Also, you can add some cute little hair accessory down there. You can create a cute little bun. If your hair is longer, just finish it off with a really nice braid, or just leave it as it is like I am. A tiny little ponytail that's pretty much non-existent. And that completes this 3-strand pull apart or pull through braid. It's not pull apart, it's pull through braid. You know what? I'm actually gonna try to create a little bun out of this just to show you guys what it also would look like if you have shorter hair like I do. All right, I'm gonna take a tiny little teasing comb. I don't know where I got this, probably Sally's or Amazon, one of those, and just tease the ponytail just to give it a little bit more texture and volume. And this is what it looks like with a very messy, somewhat doable bun with whatever hair I have left over. Obviously you can make it a lot prettier, but this is kind of what it looks like. I want to show you guys another option. Which one do you like better? The ponytail or this weird looking bun? Can we even call it a bun? So there we have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know which look was your favorite. I hope you liked this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.